Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all to the recorded session of grade 3. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. May Allah enhance our knowledge. Our topic for today is word problems of money. Before starting the new topic, let's do the revision of our previous class. Adding money. We have to follow two basic steps. Step number 1, add paisa, which is at the right hand side. Step number 2, add rupees, which is at the left hand side. Let's take an example of adding money. 6 rupees 60 paisa plus 3 rupees 50 paisa. We will add paisa first. 60 plus 50 is equals to 110 paisa. 110 is more than 100, so we will convert this 100 paisa into 1 rupee. This 1 rupee will be carried forward to the rupees side. Now we will follow step 2, add rupees. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So here we have got the answer, 10 rupees 10 paisa. Subtracting money. We are going to follow the same steps. Subtract paisa first, which is at the right hand side. Then subtract rupees, which is at the left hand side. Let's take an example of subtracting money. 15 rupees 30 paisa minus 7 rupees 50 paisa. We will write the sum in a vertical form. Step 1. Subtract paisa. 30 minus 50. Can we subtract a bigger number from the smaller number? No. So we will borrow 1 rupee from 15. When we have taken 1 rupee from this 15, we are left with 14 rupees at the rupees side. We will convert 1 rupee into 100 paisa. 100 plus 30 is equals to 130 paisa. Now we can subtract this 50 from 130 paisa. And the answer is 80 paisa. Step 2. Subtract rupees. 14 minus 7, 7. So the final answer is 7 rupees 80 paisa. Before starting the word problems, we must have to follow 3 very important steps, which are data, working, statement. We have to write down the data. We will show our working. We will write the answer in the form of statement. Before solving the question, we have to underline the key words. Then we have to identify the operation. In the end, we have to perform those three core steps, which are data, working, and statement. Let's solve the word problem. Ali had 80 rupees. His grandmother gave him 15 rupees more. How much money does he have in all? Let's underline the keywords. Ali had 80 rupees. Grandmother gave him 15 rupees more. How much does he have in all? Now we have to identify the operation. And here the keyword is in all. In all, altogether, total. These all keywords give us the hint to do addition. Yes, we have to perform addition operation. Let's write down the data. We will read the question and we will write down the data over here. Ali had 80 rupees. His grandmother gave him 15 rupees more. How much money does he have in all? We have to find it out, so we have put the question mark. Let's show our working. We will write the sum in a vertical form. We will start adding paisa. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And this dot is our decimal notation, which we put to separate rupees and paisa. 80 plus 15 is 95. 95 rupees. We will write the answer in the form of statement. He has 95 rupees in all. Let's take another example. A box of sweets cost 32 rupees 80 paisa. A box of biscuits cost 14 rupees 30 paisa. What is the total cost of both items? Let's underline the keywords. Sweets cost 32 rupees 80 paisa. Box of biscuits cost 14 rupees 30 paisa. What is the total cost of both items? So here now we have to find out the operation. Yes, total cost, total, in all together. Yes, we have to perform addition operation. Step 1, write down the data. Read the question. First come first. A box of sweets cost 32 rupees 80 paisa. A box of biscuits cost 14 rupees 30 paisa. Now what is the total cost? We have to find it out. Let's show our working. We will write the sum in a vertical form. 0 plus 80 and 30 is equals to 110. So it is more than 100. We will convert this 100 paisa into 1 rupee, and this 1 rupee will be carried forward to the rupees side. Now here we have 10 paisa. 32 plus 1 is 33. 33 plus 14 are 47. Now we will write this answer in the form of statement. The cost of sweets and biscuits are 47 rupees and 10 paisa altogether. Let's take another example. Sana bought 2 dolls. If she bought the dolls for 75 rupees, and 75 paisa, and she gave the cashier a 100 rupee note. How much change did she receive? Let's underline the keywords. Sana bought 2 dolls for 75 rupees and 75 paisa. She gave the cashier a 100 rupee note. How much change did she receive? Now we have to identify the operation. How much change? She has given a 100 rupee note and the cashier will deduct 75 rupees and 75 paisa. So how much will be left with her? Yes, we have to perform subtraction operation. Step 1. Write down the data. Read the question and first come first. Sana bought 2 dolls for 75 rupees and 75 paisa. She gave a 100 rupee note to the cashier. How much change did she receive? We have to find it out. So we have put a question mark here. Let's show our working. We will write down the sum in a vertical form. Subtract paisa. 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot minus this 5 from the 0. So we will borrow rupee 1 from the rupees side. Now we are left with 99 rupees at the rupees side. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 24 rupees 50 paisa. We have to write down the answer in the form of statement. She received 24 rupees and 50 paisa. After watching this video, you have to perform a task. You will attempt the Google quiz from your Google Classroom. After attempting it, do not forget to submit and turn in. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.